Okay, spring bars. Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm showing you some spring bars that I bought online. These spring bars were meant to replace some of the more flimsy spring bars I have. So I have here 20mm spring bars that are, I think, 2mm thick. I intended to use this for some of my divers watch to replace the spring bars, because they were just, to me, in my opinion, they were just flimsy. So let's take a look. Oh, by the way, I already replaced the spring bars of one of my divers. So this is the one. And since I use a NATO, I had to replace the spring bars. There we go. So these are the thicker spring bars. This is a 20mm lug width. This is a the case, at least, is similar to the Seiko 6105, or was it the 6501? Anyway, it's the Captain Willard diver. I actually call this the Willard's Rage. I think I have a video of it. Anyway, I'll put a card up there somewhere. Okay. So 20mm 2mm thick of, well, spring bars. These are from China, of course. I ordered these online, so I got 10 pieces. I think the thinner ones from the Willard's Rage, I put them here. Oh, this is one, and this is the other. Okay, so these spring bars came from this watch originally. It came with the case. So let's see a comparison. Let's pick one. So okay, let's put these back in the bag before they roll off the table and I lose them all. They include a spring bar tool, which is good. Every purchase has a spring bar tool. Here's the difference between the original, which is on the right, and the new one I purchased, which is on the left. So significantly thicker spring bar. Right. I can also use this thicker spring bar for my field watches, which is why I brought these two out. We're gonna change out the spring bars because I use NATO straps on all of these, and I at least want more security to replace the spring bar on my green field watch and my original white. Oh, by the way, these are all assembled by yours truly. This one has a Chinese clone of Miyota Movement. I think it's the DG2803 or something for these two. This one has an NH35. Better movement overall, and a go-to movement for micro brands. So this one we already replaced. This one. So let's check if this is indeed 20 millimeters. Yes, it is. So we can see the difference in the size. The question after replacing though is, will a NATO strap still fit? We'll find out. So it's relatively easy to put in because there's no strap. So we'll remove the other one. Now, by the way, these spring bars came with the case when I assembled the watch. This one doesn't want to come off. There we go. Tiny spring bars. So I'll get another one. Click it in place. There we go. Larger spring bars. This case is a fingerprint magnet because it's polished all around. I would have liked it to be satin finish since this is a field watch, but you can't have everything. Okay, so this one is does this one have a thick spring bar already? I'm not sure. No, it doesn't. So we'll replace that too. The spring bars. What practical purpose does this serve? More security. That's all. Sturdier. So what we can do is flip back the NATO strap, remove the existing spring bar, which is of course relatively thinner. Slip in the new spring bar. Okay. Perfect. So do the same on the other side. Get the thicker spring bar, slip it in. Oh, there we go. Click. Perfect. So we have to piece of dust on the the bar. We can align them properly. Okay, that's it. Done. So we can keep these. This can still be used. No, there are no problems with these thinner spring bars, but I just thought it would be better if we had thicker spring bars. I recommend at least you change your spring bars to thicker ones. So there you have it. These are relatively affordable, these spring bars. I got 10 pieces of these 20 millimeter 2. Oh, it's not 2 millimeters thick, it's 2.5. It's close to the actual divers spring bars, which are 3 millimeters. So yeah, these are relatively more affordable than buying original divers spring bars. I think I got this for about 200 pesos per pack. Per pack, I mean 10 pieces of this 20mm spring bars. This is also about 200 pesos. This 18mm 1.8 thick spring bars for my dress watch, but this is 20 pieces. This is 10 pieces. These are more expensive because, well, you know, they're thicker, sturdier, and they come with a spring bar tool, which is great. The seller information is actually on this. I mean, I don't mind. It's not that I am not sponsored by this manufacturer, but this is where the spring bars are made. They're made in China. Nothing bad about that. Good thing when it's made in China, it's affordable, relatively affordable. Okay, so there you have it, changing the spring bars of my watches to more thicker, sturdier ones. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. And once again, enjoy.